Hi, it's Donna Robertson with Fabric Cafe, and we're bringing you some more of our Black Friday specials. And we're going to start with the jigsaw quilt. This is the quilt that is in modern views. It's a great one for batiks. You're going to love the way this turns out. It's super easy to put together. And this is your block right here. So let's take this over here and put it on the table, and then I will show you the fabrics that we have selected. We're showing you 3 different kits, and each kit is made with this particular pattern, so we'll show you the fabrics. Now remember, you get 1 free pattern with every kit that you purchase. We have made this as a suggestion, but you can always change it if you want to. You just write the name of the pattern that you want in the comment section of your order. So to start off, the first kit that we have for you, this one is these beautiful 3 fabrics, and they would work so well together. Your number 1 fabric, or your focus fabric, is going to go here, and then you've got your number 2 fabric, and that number 2 fabric is going to go in the background, and then you've got your number 3 fabric will be going where the black is. We're suggesting jigsaw pattern, and this is your information, 8020787 Medusa. Jigsaw is the pattern we're suggesting. Now remember, you can also buy 3 kits, and you can get the Modern Views book free if you'd like. There are only 4 of these remaining, but guess what? 4 is the exact number you need to make a king queen. Okay, the next one that we have for you that is also made with the jigsaw pattern, this is your focus fabric, or your number 1 fabric, your number 2 fabric, and your number 3 fabric. This would be so pretty. You know, this would look good in a beach house too. Now this one is, we're recommending the jigsaw pattern. There are only 3 of these left. The pattern is jigsaw. The kit number is 8020786. And this is Maui Waves. Maui Waves. And there are 3 remaining on this one. And the third one that we're showing for jigsaw, here's your focus fabric. This is your number 2 fabric and your number 3 fabric. This one, 8020785 Terracotta Dreams, and we think that it would look great in the jigsaw pattern as well. Now remember, all of these kits are discounted, so when you go to our website, fabriccafe.com, you will be able to click and see the prices. We've already discounted it for you, and everything in the Black Friday special button on our website has been discounted. This is the pattern Snowball. Snowball it's an individual pattern that's not available in any book, but it has been a very popular pattern for us, and we're going to put this over here and show you some gorgeous fabrics for that. This whole show is about batiks. All right, now what we've done is we have 2 different fabrics in our kit, and one Snowball is the focus fabric, one is your number 2 fabric, and then your 3rd fabric is for your border and the joining blocks. This is your fabric number 1. This is your fabric number 2 and your number 3. Your number 8020524 Bayou Whispers, and this is for the Snowball pattern. Now it's not in a book, but if you want a book, you can still purchase 3 kits, any 3 kits, and you can pick a book instead of the individual patterns. The second one that we have for you that we're recommending Snowball, this one is called Persephone. I had to get help with that one. I was about to butcher it. It's hard enough when I read these things upside down. Okay, Persephone is 8020784. The Snowball pattern is the one we're recommending. Now these are both batiks. This one is a regular cotton, but we do like to mix our batiks with our regular cottons sometime, just so that you can see the it really does set them off. And sometimes with batiks you can't actually see the contrast, and you will be able to do that when you add a regular fabric in there. Okay, this one is called Apollo. And let's see if I can get these separated. Here's your focus fabric. This is your number 2 fabric and your number 3 fabric. Boy, I like this one a lot. Okay, the number is 8020783. Again, the snowball is the pattern we're recommending. So you get 1 free pattern with each kit. If you choose to purchase 3 kits, you can skip the little pattern and you can take the, did I give you the number?
Yes.
And you can take a book instead. The next kit is Pinwheels. It's a breeze. And this one is also from my Modern Views book. And it's alternating pinwheels. So they're made with half square triangles, and the batiks in this are really fun. Now this one, this particular kit, we do not have that fabric, but in this one it gives you an example of one that's made with 1 batik and 2 regular fabrics. But the kit that we have picked out for you has all 3 batiks. So here's your fabric 1, your fabric 2, and your fabric 3. This one is called Sweet Batiks 8020450. It's a breeze is your pattern, and this is available in the book Modern Views. So let me show you that book. So this one has 8 different patterns, and every pattern is written for 3 different sizes. So remember, you can take a book free when you buy the 3 kits, even though they're discounted. And you can also mix, if you want to buy regular price kits with the Black Friday specials, you can do that as well. Okay, this one is called Tranquility. This is your focus fabric, your number 2 fabric, and your number 3 fabric. And these are all 3 batiks. Kit number 8020782, Tranquility. It's a breeze from the Modern Views, and this one is a last chance. There are only 4 remaining. This would make a gorgeous king size as well. So remember, 1 kit makes a lap, 2 makes a twin, 4 will make a king queen. And here's another last chance, and these are great. They just make me think of citrus colors. Fabric number 1, fabric number 2, and fabric number 3. And this is called Citrus Punch 8020781. It's a breeze from Modern Views. There are only 2 remaining. And remember, you can always make a twin with the 2 remaining. All right. The next kit that we have for you is called Corner Play. This has been one of our most popular patterns for batiks. It looks so good in batiks. Now this is a regular print fabric that we really liked as well, but it kind of gives you an idea of how great it looks whenever you can use those, I call them mushy colors. Then it looks really good together. So this one is called Leatherworks. Look at this pretty fabric. I might have to open this one up a little bit more, John. Look at those great colors. That one is awesome. So Leatherworks, this is your number 1 fabric. Here's your number 2, and it's picking up a little bit of those terracottas and the greens and the blues. That looks really pretty. And our number 3 fabric. So this one, Leatherworks 8020780. Corner Play is your pattern. It's available as an individual or in the book pretty darn quick. Alrighty, the next one is called Forged Steel. So this would be a great one for my gray sofa. It would be. So this one is 8020779, Forged Steel. The pattern is Corner Play. It's from the book Pretty Darn Quick. and there are only 2 left. So if you like making, rather than a lap quilt, which is the ones that we're showing you when Hannah holds them up, those are all lap quilts, but you can make a twin size. If you've got a larger person or a taller person, you can always make it with 2. Okay, this one is called Sun-Kissed. Pretty yummy. Oh, I like those too. This one, 8020778, Sun-Kissed. That is the corner play that we're recommending, and it is in the book Pretty Darn Quick. There's only 1 of these remaining. Pretty. So these are great deals on our website for the Black Friday specials. So you'll want to check them out. Now I've got a whole bunch of new last chances. These are kits that we've had around, but we are starting to run out. So you'll want to be sure to take advantage of these. There's only 2 of these remaining, and they're called Dragonfly Duet. Aren't those pretty? I like this. So we have our teals and aquas. I guess you can tell I usually say I really like this one whenever it goes to the teals and the aquas. Focus, number 2 and number 3. We've got 8020774, Dragonfly Duet. This is Sugar Pie is the one that we're recommending for this one. It is the last chance. There's only 2 left. The pattern is available in Pretty Darn Quick. Okay, this one is called Rainbow Jungle. Ooh, there's only 1 of this one left. And it has this gorgeous batik. We are using 2 batiks with 1 regular fabric. And this one is called 8020776, Rainbow Jungle. Diamond Dust from Modern Views is the recommended pattern. There's only 1 left on this one. Now the next one that we have is called Dragon Scale. I think that's a cute name. Let's look at this cute fabric. Looks like a little dragon skin there. Oh, I also really like green, so that's pretty. But I've not met many fabrics that I didn't think were gorgeous, so that's just, it's kind of like looking at the cute little babies. I like to look at cute fabric. 8020775, Dragon Scale. We are recommending Simply Blocks. It's from the book Quilts for Kids, and this is the last chance. There are only 2 remaining. The next one is called Rainbow Sunset. Rainbow Sunset. And this one has this great bright colors. This is another one I want to open up so you can see all of these cool colors. Isn't that awesome? So this one is really pretty. There's only 1 of these left now that I've made you want it. Didn't notice there's only 1 left of this one. We're recommending Sweet Time, so you'd be able to put this big print in the big block, and then you can outline each block with these 2 colors. 8020777, Rainbow Sunset. Sweet Times is in the book Easy Peasy. Alrighty, and the last one we have for you is called Dusky Mountain. Is this the way this goes? What are we looking at here? Okay, so this one is 8020773. There are only 2 of these remaining. Dusky Mountain. It's from the book The Pattern Illusions, which is in the book Modern Views. There are only 2 remaining. Okay, so you've seen some of these great offers that we have. You'll want to check them out on our website. If you buy 3 kits, you'll be able to get a book free. We have 7 books to choose from that are in print, or you can get one of our downloadable patterns, downloadable books when you order 3 kits. We also have another thing that we're doing for the Black Friday specials. This one is called a stash builder. So if you like to buy pretty fabrics at a great price, this is an example of one of our stash builder sets that we have. We have several different ones. I think we've got dozens up there. And these are, and what they are, 5 yards of fabric, all first run fabric. These are batiks, and you'll get them all 5 yards for just $29.99. So you'll want to check these out. It's a great way to build that stash if you need some extra colors. And we have so much going on for Black Friday. Be sure to watch the other videos. We've got several for you to watch. And we've grouped everything so that you might be able to go and find exactly what you want quickly. So as you're watching the videos, be sure to go and put your goodies in your cart and check out. And you're going to have some great sales and great specials to take advantage of. So it's Donna Robertson. You have a great day.